Let's make handmade mini greetings. First, we're going to practice in pencil making a partial frame. The pencil is just a guide, so feel free to erase a little. Doodle along the edges of your frame. Since it's springtime, I'm doodling with leaves and flowers. Make a small sunburst. Then zigzag around the edges. Make a squiggly vine with leaves. Make another vine with leaves, making it a framed corner. Then add some more doodling flowers and leaves. Once you've decided on a design, write a short note in the middle, take a picture, and text it to a friend or family member. This design is branches with berries and leaves. In this doodle, I'm basically just making hearts layered on top of each other till it gets a little bit smaller, and then at the very top I make little circles and dots. Then just turn the corner and repeat that pattern. Add some more fun doodles. So basically, we're making a frame to put our message in. Here's a seashell. Draw stretched out S's on top of each other, making sure each one connects and gets smaller as it gets down to the bottom. Make sure to close up the bottom, then close up the top, then make an eyelet type shape at the very top. You can add in some shading around the sides and then color in the eyelet. Now to frame that corner, we're going to put our other seashell perpendicular. Get creative. On one side of your frame, you can have one style, and catty corner, you can have a little bit different style, just complementary. If you have the time-lapse option on your phone, you can capture your design in action and send your video, your time-lapse video, to a friend or family member. This design, I sketched a little bit of a circle to help me stay on track so my petals of my flowers are about equal all the way around. Then I sketch around my edges a few leaves, a little loopy-loop, and make sure it goes around the corner of my little design so it creates a frame. And then on the catty corner side, I decided to make a complementary design, something similar, but just to frame out the edge. If you have anything to color with, color in your mini greeting. After you're done with your mini greeting, if you have a smartphone, take a picture of it, crop it if you need to, then text it to a friend. No germs being spread here. I hope y'all are doing well, happy and healthy. I would love to see some of your designs. Feel free to send me a mini greeting. Take care.